Hey, did the robot send anything back? Like a message if they defeated it? No, but he said, wait, this wasn't the same frequency, but I think it has something to do with it. It says, your robot's horrible. Bruh. What were you looking? Why is her torso? I'm not gonna ask. My nose creation, go fetch me their soul. So we're almost back home after defeating that robot. I don't know who those people were. Hey, what is that? But what the heck, boy? What are you doing? Did you just turn it off? There's something right above you. Well, are you serious that they just died? I should just stop asking questions. He's not going to answer them. Are you serious? I'm getting confused at this guy. Just up and away he goes.